let's open her up. Oh no, can you see the shimmer and shine on the box? That's so cute. I just love the shimmer and shine on this box. First we have the canvas, and oh, these colors are gorgeous. Oh my goodness, they are gorgeous. I tell you what, each time I open up one of these kits, it never fails how gorgeous it looks in person. This is a sticker that comes with it, you guys. And that's how she looks. Oh my goodness, she is gorgeous. She comes with 50 colors. She's a square. 55 by 77. And it's two AB. Oh, this is so gorgeous. Okay, let me stop looking at her. It's a standard kit. For those who do not know about the kits, let me open it up and show you. It comes with a squishy. That's why I call it a squishy, because it's squish, squish, squish. You can put it on your pen so that way as you hold it real tight, it does protect your hands. I don't use it, but it's the pen. Tweezers, two wax, the tray for the drills, extra baggies, three-placer, and that's all that's inside of the little kit there. Oh, these are such gorgeous colors. Oh my goodness, they are gorgeous. Find the beginning. I'm going to fold her the opposite way, so that way she can lay flat better. You will not hurt the canvas by folding it the opposite way. It just helps to lay her flat. So this is how she looks. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. My goodness gracious. She is so gorgeous. I just love this. It's called See It Doesn't Matter. Oh my goodness gracious. It is gorgeous in person. I mean, you can look at it all day long, but when you get it in your home, it makes a big, gigantic difference. Oh my goodness, you can't even talk. You just get so speechless. I mean, the colors is so bright and cheerful, and oh my goodness gracious, let's look at these colors. Oh my goodness. I mean, these colors are gorgeous. It just shines. You probably can't even see how gorgeous they shine. Oh my goodness gracious. They just come alive. And as you just look at the paintings with the colors, once you put them down on them, oh my goodness, it just pops it up in 3D. It just brings it, I mean, it shines so gorgeous. You just have to buy this one. Oh my goodness, look how gorgeous she is. Look at these colors. Oh my goodness gracious, these colors are popping out. This is an AB diamond. This one really shines. It gives you that extra gleam, 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 gleam. Can't even talk because I'm keep looking at the painting. Oh my goodness, look at that color. Oh Lord, it will make the fishes pop out. Oh my goodness, it is so gorgeous. It is so gorgeous. You got a runaway bag here that's brown. It is so nice. When I tell you they sparkles, you can see it miles away. Oh my goodness. Look at these colors. Sorry about the crinkling. But oh my goodness. These greens will make this come so gorgeous. Oh, I can't wait to do it and show you how it will make it comes up in 3D. It is like so gorgeous. If you haven't did any diamond painting, you should try it. I mean, it is fun to do. Yes, it is time consuming, but once you finish your product, once you finish your painting and all of it will come together, oh, you will be so happy. And this is another AB diamond. Oh, it sparkles. It will make the fishes come, just pop up a little extra than the ones that's already shining. It is so gorgeous. I will leave a better description down below. And sorry I'm not into that very cheerful spirit. I'm coming down with a real bad cold. And but I just had to come on and show you my new painting that I received for Christmas. Oh, she is so gorgeous. If you have not got her, please order her. She is so gorgeous. She is worth the money. She comes in 50 colors and she is gorgeous. I mean, absolutely gorgeous. Thanks for watching.